Hi guys, it's Gramma Kleven here again. Say, I wanted to talk to you about something besides just doing stories. Because there's this thing called the coronavirus or COVID 19 that everyone's been talking about. It's a virus, it's really teeny tiny, you can't see it, but it passes from person to person through our mouth, through our breathing, and we want to make sure that we don't get sick and that we don't get other people sick. So your family will help you keep safe, but I wanted to show a few things that you might see in the next several months that are kind of different, and I want to show you what they are and how to use them. You like my mask? You don't have to really wear it like that. But this is a mask that I kind of like. People are wearing masks because when we wear a mask, it covers our mouth and it covers our nose. It keeps us safe and it keeps other people safe. I kind of like this one. I don't know. Do you like it when it goes all the way up? Me too. Now here's a mask that a friend of mine made for me. This was actually the one that I wear all the time. It's really kind of cool. It's got these wonderful little things in here, and I'm able to put another little filter inside there. Keeps me extra safe. Keeps my glasses from fogging up. So this is what Grandma looks like when she goes out in Madison and in Cannon Falls these days. So even kids have to wear masks. So you might go someplace where they say, you know what, we really would prefer you wear a mask. It might be the dentist, it might be the doctor. And so they might give you a mask and it's going to look like this. Maybe it'll be this cool blue color. Isn't that nice? It's going to have little deals on here. They get around your ears. It's going to cover, has a little filter there to keep you safe. So you're just going to put this on and you're going to look just like that. No big deal, right? It's going to keep you safe and it's going to keep other people safe too. You might be asked to wash your hands more often. Now, it's always a good idea to wash your hands. We like to keep our hands nice and clean. Sometimes we can't wash our hands, so we use this great stuff called hand sanitizer. Grandma's is green. She likes it. It smells kind of good too. Sometimes it smells really awful, but it's okay. The smell goes away. But this one smells kind of good. It's kind of liquidy. I rub it on my hands. Ooh, ooh, it feels good. Smells good too. So this gets the germs off of your hands. So if you can't wash your hands well with soap and water, singing yourself a little song to get it done, you can also put on the hand sanitizer. So lots of places that you go to are going to have bottles of hand sanitizer, and your mom or dad might ask you to put a little bit on and put on your hands to keep you and to keep other people safe. So another thing you might see is some places are asking to take your temperature. Now they're doing this to make sure that you're not sick, because the safest way to keep people is if we're sick, we want to stay home. So they're trying to keep people who might be sick from going into businesses, mostly clinics, hospitals, that sort of thing. So you might, this might happen at school, so you might have them take your temperature. So Grandma has one of these. It's called an infrared thermometer. It is super cool. So I turn it on. Let's hope my batteries are working. La 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 la. Come on, turn on. Oh, come on. There we go. It turns on. So it turns on. All we have to do is put it right by my forehead, push the button, and what do you know? It gives Grandma's temperature. Grandma's just fine. So you may find that people are doing these. These are so wonderful. They're not like the kind of thermometers that they put in your mouth, they put in your armpit. It's not the kind they put in your butt. It's great. So all you're going to do is they'll push the button, take your temperature, and make sure that you're well. Here's another really fun toy. I think this is Grandma's favorite. It's called an oximeter. That is a huge, long word. Oximeter, oximeter. What it does is it measures how much oxygen is inside me. We all need oxygen, right, in order to live. So I push the little button. This is really great. So I put my finger in there, and within about a second or two, maybe a little longer, it's going to beep and it's going to say how much oxygen I have. And this is important. Look, 99% Grandma is very healthy. So this is a really quick way to be able to tell whether someone doesn't have enough oxygen in their body. That means that they might be sick with the virus and they should make sure they go see a doctor. So those are two things that you might see. You might see the thermometer and you might see the oximeter. They might give you these tests. They don't hurt. They're super quick and they're actually kind of fun. So I hope you like Grandma's little talk about the COVID-19 or coronavirus, and I'm sure you're all going to keep safe. We're staying here and keeping safe. And just know that Grandma loves you. I have no idea how I'm going to drink coffee with this on.